Say what's poppin'.
Pop.
Say it. Say what's poppin'.
Pop.
What's poppin', YouTube?
Kiss.
Yeah. Let them know. Say it, Kate. Say what's poppin'.
What's poppin'?
Yeah. These are my nieces. Y'all gonna see a lot of them on my channel. This is Kate and this is Kaylee. So much love. Alright. But yeah. We're gonna get right into this video.
Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Pussy on my mind, tighter than a headband. Pressure in my lungs, got ganja in my sweat glands. This shit I'm on better than the next strand. Then the next strand, better than the next strand. She head down, booty popping in the handstand. Shine bright, I give your girl a slight tan. I make the pussy whistle like the old Spice Man. I don't even understand why she'd ever want a man. If she ever throw it, I catch it like a corner bag. Like a corner bag, that's an interception.
Poppin' YouTube, it's your girl AngelJ, and I am back with another video. Looking dusty and crusty, but it's okay. But yeah, today's video is going to be a DIY, and I'm going to show you guys how to make your own perfect personal ring light. You already know. You know, ring lights from Amazon and everywhere else can be up to $400, and we just don't got it like that. So I'm going to show you how to make your own ring light for up to $20, and that's about it. That's all I spent on mine. But yeah, if you want to make your own ring light, you just keep on watching. If you don't want to make your own ring light, just keep on watching. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how this ring light looks because I'm using it right now and I'm just loving it. So I'm gonna show you how this looks, and then I'm gonna get right into the video. This is the ring light with the stand, and it is incredibly useful and incredibly cheap, like I mentioned before, and I just love it. And if you guys would like to know how to make this, just keep watching. Well, first we're going to get all the things that you need in order first. Okay, so from Walmart I got this Reef. I guess, yeah, this is the Reefs. I got them in the flower section. This is a Reef. Well, you can get them in the flower section. I got mine from my aunt. Okay, I got a paper towel holder, which will be your stand for your for your ring light. It's gonna hold up like this. Next, I got the Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil that you're gonna wrap around your ring light. I got zip ties, and I got 8-inch zip ties, and I got the 100 pack because you're gonna need more than 20, but the only packs come in 20 and 100, so I just got the 100 pack because it was only $2. And I got all my stuff from Walmart. And lastly, I got, well, not lastly, but I got the Chapter 16 feet LED rope light, and I got it in daylight. Do not get red. Make sure you see the color. This is where the color is, right here. You'll see the colors. And this is indoor and outdoor light, which you probably won't need it for anything else because it's going to be a ring light. But yeah. And I got the Scotch shipping tape because you need it, the heavy duty tape, but you can't use the normal Scotch tape that you just use like for people.
I'm keeping my promise, I'm thugging regardless. Years down the road when we up on out the projects. Baby, we're like rockets, love the world is yours.
opening the chapter box. All of this stuff was literally under $20, like for all of this. I did not buy the Reynolds wrap, but I'm sure if you did buy it, if you didn't get the heavy duty wrap and you got the normal, this would still be under $20. Okay, so I have fixed the angle for us. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our LED lights onto the Reef. And I actually think I am gonna do it this way. And we're going to stick the lights along the outside, just like this.
Right on the edge of the range. Came up from nothing, had to start hustling, had to be something, you just had to be something. Mama is mama, cause she good by Jordans. Mama was poor, yeah, she could never afford it. Never could do anything without the whatever. Cause on the come up, you always stick together. The house is huge, yeah, you gotta be clever. It's cool while you young, but you can't do it forever. So if you ride, then I'm riding too. By your side, I'm stuck on you. Fuck with ya, you know I fuck with you. He said he loves me cause I'm loyal. I'm keeping my promise, I'm thugging regardless. Years down the road when we up on out the projects. Baby, we're like rockets, love the world beside you. keeping my promise. I'm thugging regardless. Years down the road when we up on out the projects. Baby, we're like rockets. Love the world is came up from nothing, had to start hustling, had to be something, you just had to be something. Mama is mama, cause she couldn't buy Jordans. Mama was poor, yeah, she could never afford it. Girl, you anything, whatever, cause on the come up, you know we stick together. The house is huge, yeah, you gotta be clever. It's cool while you young, but you can't do it forever. So if you ride, then I'm riding too. By your side, I'm stuck on you. You know I fuck with you. He said he loves me cause I'm loyal. But not above me cause I'm loyal. He fucking with me cause I'm loyal.
Okay. This is the final product. So this is what we have. Our final product. And now we're going to put our light on our stand by using only zip ties. Okay, so we're going to put this in part here. Zip tie it.
I'm keeping my promise, I'm thugging regardless. Years down the road when we up on out the projects. Baby, we're like rockets. Love the world is came up from nothing, had to start hustling, had to be something, you just had to be something. Mama is mama, cause she couldn't buy Jordans. Mama was poor, yeah, she could never afford it. Girl, you anything, whatever, cause on the come up, you know we stick together. The house is huge, yeah, you gotta be clever. It's cool while you young, but you can't do it forever. So if you ride, then I'm riding too. By your side, I'm stuck on you. You know I fuck with you. He said he loves me cause I'm loyal. But not above me cause I'm loyal. He fucking with me cause I'm loyal. Yeah, he with me cause I'm loyal. Up in the morning, making some breakfast. Make it count savings, yeah, I already checked it. House looking spotless, I already swept it. You love when I handle shit, I already get it. You just around, just baby boy, you been working. It's gonna be worth it, yeah, it's all gonna be perfect. He told me he loves me, he said mommy te quiero. Papi the hustler, chasing mucho dinero. So if you ride, I'm riding too. By your side, I'm stuck on you. You know I fuck with ya. He said he loves me cause I'm loyal. But not above me cause I'm loyal. He fucking with me cause I'm loyal. Yeah, he with me cause I'm loyal. When it all goes down and things get real, better remember who kept it true. Better let him know how you feel. No secrets, baby.
Alright, y'all, I know last video was not the best video because I was a little nervous and I didn't show you all my personality, but it's okay. These videos to come are about to be popping and you already know y'all gonna see me, the real me, in all of them. So yeah, and I know that the next couple videos I'm gonna get them in there. I'm gonna get the videos in there or whatever. And that's my cousin. But I'm gonna get the videos in there from our homecoming. It was a really good homecoming. It's our senior year, and you already know how 219 coming, okay? So I'm gonna get this video in here, and I'm gonna get the next couple videos in there as soon as I can. You know, I've been having a lot of stuff to do, so whenever I can get that stuff in there, I'm gonna get it in there for y'all. And yeah, I just want to let y'all know that y'all are really appreciated. Again, I want to say thank you for the subscribers that we do have, the 27 subscribers, no matter if they're my family or not. I want to say thank you to all the people who allowed me to make this video and got me all the materials that I needed for this video. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Everybody, this video is now over, but if y'all like this video, if y'all like how good this ring light works and how much life this light is giving me right now, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I am going to be shouting out the people with the best comments and the comments that I really like. Always leave me feedback. Tell me how I did on this video. Let me know. I'm a beginner, so let me know. So tell everybody bye, y'all. Say bye-bye.
Bye.